Hello explorers, welcome to a brand new unboxing video. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 9. It's going to be the 41mm variant this time, which is ideal for wrists measuring 130 to 200mm. The product comes in an environment friendly paper box with the Apple logo engraved on the top face of the box followed by the word watch. The medium sized box is made using recycled materials which displays Apple's initiative towards achieving environment friendly packaging and also to reduce its carbon footprint. After opening the outer casing, I'm able to see two other boxes inside and also the graphic designs of multiple Apple Watches on the inner sides of the outer packaging. The first box contains the Apple Watch display and the charging cable, whereas the second box contains the Apple Sport Loop. Now let's open the first box by peeling off the paper stubs with the green arrows. At first glance, the pulp inlay looks quite clean, simple and elegant. It has the Apple Watch itself, the 1 meter magnetic charging cable and some documentation. The top side of the casing of the charging cable says designed by Apple in California. Now let's pull the paper slit to take out the charging cable and put it aside for some time. I finally picked up the Apple Watch now and it's encased in a protective case. The casing itself looks very appealing up close, which makes me wonder what the Apple Watch display would appear when I inspect it up close. Now I'm gonna unpack the Apple Sport Loop from the second box. A picture of the Apple Watch strap appears on the top surface of the casing and the below surface has some details about the sport band. Let's quickly peel off the paper stubs with the green arrows. I am able to open the second box and get a view of what's inside it. The box has the Apple Sport Loop / Apple Watch strap in an encasing and some documentation paper below it. I will close the box and keep it aside now. Here we go, peeling off the band from the encasing. The band looks very smooth and its finishing seems good too. The strap hosts 7 adjustment holes and instead of providing a buckle, there happens to be a short and fancy buckle tongue. The keeper and free loop on the strap is also not provided, which are generally there in old-fashioned analog wristwatches. These are all the accessories of the first box. I have the 1 meter magnetic charging cable for wireless charging, the 2 fragments of the Sport Loop, and the Apple Watch screen / display. The main attraction among all these accessories is obviously the Apple Watch screen. The rear ends of the straps have been designed in such a way so as to permit a sliding fitting to the Apple Watch display. Other variants of the Sport Loop can be fitted after removing the present one due to such a design. The 1 meter magnetic charging cable is capable of charging the Apple Watch wirelessly. Now, let me start the Apple Watch setup. It's worth mentioning that one cannot use or even set up the Apple Watch without an iPhone compatible with the Apple Watch. Beginning with, I will tap on the I icon to select the language as English. I am searching for my region and after searching for India, I will tap on it. The Apple Watch screen says to open the Apple Watch app on my iPhone and tap on Start Pairing. So I will tap on Start Pairing on the Apple Watch screen and it is showing a 3D moving animation on the Apple Watch screen. I will put the watch aside and pick up the iPhone and unlock it to search through the apps for finding the Watch app on my iPhone. I will pair my iPhone with my Apple Watch by opening the Watch app, which is pre-installed on all iPhones, and scanning the 3D animation on the watch screen with the iPhone. After following all these steps, my watch is finally paired. I will set the wrist preference to left. I will tap on continue and it says that it is connecting my Apple Watch and this might take few moments. I will wait for some time till my Apple ID appears on my iPhone screen after I entered it. I will pick up my iPhone and tap on enter password, log in with my Apple ID by entering the password. And after it verifies my Apple ID, I will set my preferences for watch analytics. Now it's saying to create an Apple Watch passcode. So I will be tapping on create a passcode for me to create a 4-digit Apple Watch passcode. Set up the font for the words appearing on the Apple Watch screen. Set up Siri, shared settings, provide details for personalizing fitness and health, set up activity, workout route tracking, specify whether I want to get notifications about my health, tell whether I am taking any heart medications or not, customize safety related settings, and finally the double tap hot feature. Now the Apple Watch is getting synced and finally I'm done. It says the device has been added to my Apple account. Yeah. I can access the Apple Watch settings from my iPhone now. As you can see, there are a lot of apps already there on my Apple Watch. I have the flexibility to change or edit the watch face to suit my needs and customize it based upon my requirements. I can customize the notification settings by toggling on or off the notification features, which I will be utilizing personally. I can change the app view and set it to either of the two options by going for the grid view or the list view. Siri provides a lot of easiness in performing your day-to-day tasks, including sending messages, making calls, setting reminders and alarms, checking the weather, controlling music, getting directions, managing calendar, checking fitness stats and whatnot. You can also explore the other apps like phone and workout as well. After I woke up my Apple Watch from its sleep mode, I got greeted with the famous hello animation from Apple. Now it will walk me through the various watch controls. Navigating the watch can become cumbersome sometimes, but after the basic guide, one becomes familiar with using the watch controls like a pro. You can press the digital crown to see your apps, and by pressing it again, you can return back to your watch face. You can press the side button to open your watch's control center and press it again in order to close it. You can turn the digital crown to see your widgets, and finally you have learned about all the watch controls. The Apple Watch Series 9 features a versatile widget system that enhances user experience by providing quick access to essential information at a glance. These widgets, which can be customized on the watch face, display vital data such as activity levels, weather updates, calendar events, and heart rate metrics, allowing users to stay informed without needing to navigate through multiple apps. With a simple swipe, you can interact with these widgets, making it easy to track workouts, receive notifications, or control smart home devices. The intuitive design and integration of widgets in the Series 9 ensure that users can efficiently manage their daily tasks and health metrics, all from their wrist. Widgets on the Apple Watch Series 9 are widely used by users due to their ability to deliver quick at-a-glance information tailored to individual needs. This convenience allows users to easily monitor key metrics like heart rate, activity levels, and notifications. So that's all from this unboxing video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos. Cheers and peace out.